when I'm not gonna like, now if you want to buy them all or a big group of them, I would do better on them, but.
Okay.
And those are original production.
Yeah.
Photos.
Production photos. What's that?
Yeah, no, I did.
Yeah.
It's been, I think,
yeah.
at least 6.
Ooh, a data.
Excuse me, fellas.
You're good.
I'm good. How are you?
I got 3, 7, and throw that in there.
Yeah.
Cool. I needed that. Thank you.
Thank you.
How much you got on this?
It's 10.
10.
I'm gonna fill these jobs from the car and I'll come back to it. At least for the big one.
Got a guitar. Sabatier.
I don't know that's the tier 1. Important.
Who's calling? Hello?
Yeah, MDA. Yep.
I want to see if these legs will come off. Alright, thanks a lot.
No problem.
How much is your guitar?
50.
50. All right, I'm gonna do your dado rail or
Okay.
dado blade and your guitar.
Okay, great.
$60. Okay.
Great.
Thank you. Elijah, I got this. You might want to comp that. Those Boston sharpeners can sell for like 15, 20.
What's this song?
I don't know. It's an interesting song. I bought a guitar. But brand new tag.
Someone wrote
So
on
selling
Tag on the guitar too.
Yeah, both brand new. So
Data.
yeah, that's just my like nerdy love of woodworking. I might, yeah, they are really expensive, but I might keep it. Oh, these are nice blades. K2s, classic. I used to have these. How's it going?
Hey, how you doing today?
Good. I'm keeping the good stuff near you, huh? How much are your games?
That depends on which one.
Wii Sports?
$2.
$2.
Can I look at this stuff?
Go for it.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw like random attachments. Yeah. That's that original.
Cider.
We did.
So what is this for? Shaving a head?
Shaving the back of your legs.
Ah. Interesting.
Yeah.
The back of anything, really.
Yeah, really.
Yeah? Okay, fit. You're not going to get the beard growth kit?
I think I got it handled.
Help you get an attractive beard. Do you? Yeah. I don't know. Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
These are cool. Yeah, he's a nice guy. How much is this stuff?
That's my daughter's.
Oh, I can wait. It's no rush. I'll wait for her to come back.
There's
I'm
a whole
interested.
box of those Ice Capade ones too.
Oh, nice. Yeah, look, all this old antique ephemera and stuff. I'm gonna ask her how much on all that. Oh, that's cool. Oh, cool. Bush Reagan.
That's pretty crazy.
That's VTG.
Yeah, no doubt. I mean,
You,
Yeah.
you should get it. That's the year I was born.
Did you see those Rams seat covers?
Yeah. VHS, soul food. Military case.
Where are they silver bags though? I don't know what. I've got a bunch of Reagan bumper stickers.
Really?
Yeah, I found at a place.
What's this thing? That could be good. Automatic backup?
That could be good
Yeah.
for YouTube.
Yeah, it could be good.
Stack your videos in there.
You gonna get these? If not, I'll get some.
Let's see what they are.
How about I get a bag and you can get the other bags? We'll split them up. That thing? Stupid coffee mug. This is cool. There's probably some good money here.
Talking about these?
Camera body protection. Oh, I gotta get these pins too. This is my pile that I want to get. I'm making a pile. Hold on. What is this? The radar detector, maybe? Fence rail bracket kit. 500 gig? It's alright.
Sir, what do you got on the pins?
Prince the Revolution.
Leave me your name and number, I can call you and let you know.
You see this?
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not sealed though.
Yeah, I know. I still might get it unless you want it.
Nah, just
I think it's cute.
Just set it up there. I'll get your name and number.
Yeah, we have a couple questions.
Yep.
I had found these boxes of stuff. I didn't know how much you had on these items. Like, so, were you interested in just selling like all this?
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Made me a good deal.
And then how much are your you have some maps, things like that.
What's that?
You got some maps, things like that, and then you got the Ice Capade. Oh, I like old paper stuff. I didn't know how much you'd want.
So I
for
have
all
those
of it.
at $2 a piece each. So
Okay.
we'll start from what it used to be.
Okay.
I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of old invoices and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't gonna go through and add everything together here, but I mean, I do $60 for this whole box.
60 for the box.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you give me 15 for that box, I do.
Okay. How much on your pins here?
And we'll talk about ice capades. So I have those at $1 a piece, or I'll do you a little better if you take the whole thing. I think there's more than just the one. Yeah.
Yeah. Is this a radar detector?
That is my dad's, and I believe. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Is this a radar detector?
Oh, for a Pullman trailer.
Oh, it's for pulling a trailer. Okay.
Yeah.
It tells you. Okay, I gotcha. Okay, so
The trailer brakes.
25 cents each. And how much were you asking for these pictures?
So they're $1 a piece.
$1 a piece, okay.
When I'm not gonna like, if now if you want to buy them all or a big group of them, I would do better on them. But
Okay.
and those are original production
Yeah.
photos.
Production photo.
And there's approximately 185 of them in there, and there may be a couple of signatures in there as well.
Wow.
In fact, I know there's a couple of signatures in there.
Oh, pretty cool.
There's
So-
a few that have like multiples inside. I kind of tried to group the related ones together.
Gotcha. So if I wanted to get all this stuff, I mean,
Huh?
if I wanted to get those things there and this, is there any chance you'd take like 160?
For all this?
Yeah.
Honestly, I would have probably said about 140 just for that box alone.
Oh, really? Okay.
What did you just say?
160.
If you can do 175, you can have it all.
Okay. I'll do that. I might need to get money out of my car.
Change. Oh, okay. Oh.
20,
Are we talking, is he doing those pins
40,
on his own?
50. Yeah, he
Those
wants,
pins
I think
part
he's
of
gonna,
it?
no,
Huh?
I think he's gonna get his own.
Okay.
40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Actually, I might have just enough. I have 20. Actually, do you have 5 back?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Where'd you get all this stuff?
Estate.
Okay, that's normally where I'd expect to see something like this is
Some
the States.
inheritance.
Yeah,
Some of my mom's.
okay.
All over the place. But the capades were.
I gotcha. Did he go back to the car?
Gunslinger.
175. Yeah. How much? Oh yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Do you have a YouTube channel for
Yeah.
yard sale?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we both do
Should I
actually.
be looking for myself?
If you want to, normally see it's pointed down, so
Oh,
it's
that's
hard to
cool.
kind of detect yourself.
What's your
NC picker.
NC picker?
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah,
I
and
watch
then
Froggy
he's-
flips all the time.
He's OBX picker.
Oh, right
I'll
on.
give you a sticker.
Huh?
My thing just died. Actually, when I saw this, I was like, that's cool. I'll plug that in.
What is it?
It's a little SD card.
Oh, nice. Yeah,
Oh, very cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'll have to check those out.
32
What
years.
is yours again? Tell me.
NC, North Carolina. Yeah.
You probably watch Froggy flips, huh?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, watch Froggy. Froggy is
Free.
blowing up right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
He's getting tons of views.
Hey,
Yeah.
So would you do 10 on this? There's 5 and 5 and...
How many?
Hey everyone, thanks so much for coming yard sailing with me, Eric the OBX Picker, and my son today. Definitely had some good finds. The standout for me is definitely that guitar. I sold it for $170 on Facebook Marketplace 2 days after I bought it. I bought a ton of ephemera at that last sale, and I paid up because I thought it was really interesting. One of the cool things I did get too was these pins. All these pins are like rush pins. I'm probably just going to lot them all together and do an auction, but I'm not sure. I haven't fully decided yet. There was like some Bush Reagan pins. There was, you know, just, I don't even know what that one is. But yeah, the pins look good. I think the pins will net me like 50 bucks at least. And then all that ephemera, I kind of have been collecting ephemera throughout the summer to save up for winter. It's something that I think I'm going to like listing in the winter because I can like look into it and things like that. There was a lot of old photos, like a ton of photos from the ice capades. I have no idea what those are worth, but you know, if you're interested, hit me up because I've got a bunch of them. If you do want to see me hesitate on some crazy sports card lots, check out this next video here.